Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing December's Boxycharm unboxing. So this month's theme is "'Tis the Season." Funny, right? And then there's a cute little flamingo with a little Christmas hat. That's cute. So the first item that I see in here is this pencil. It looks like it is a lip liner. Yes, it's a lip pencil, and it's in the shade Timber. This is BODYOGRAPHY Lip Liner. It is a vegan, cruelty-free lip pencil, and this originally cost $12. I'm just gonna swatch this for you. So it looks like it's kind of like a brown type of color. So the next thing in this box is by Pretty Vulgar. It is a translucent powder. It is called the Powder Room 147 Matte About It. Matte About It. This originally cost $32, and it is a weightless, skin smoothing, translucent setting powder that's supposed to lock in your makeup and enhance the look of your foundation. It's supposed to have a soft matte finish. The next thing in the box is this face mask. It is a Detox activated charcoal mask. So this costs $30, and it is supposed to detoxify your pores from daily grime. I love charcoal masks, so I'm definitely excited to try this one out. The next thing is a Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. I have it in the shade Strike Gold. Looks like a really pretty, like, peachy color. I'm gonna swatch it for you. I'll show you right here. Hopefully you can see that. This is originally $20. And the last thing in this box is by the brand Pyte. It's P-Y-T. I don't know if that is how you pronounce it, but it is a mini hair straightener. That's pretty cool. This originally cost $75, so that's awesome. I feel like this would be super easy and nice to travel with if you wanted to travel with a hair straightener. Alright guys, so that is it for December's Boxycharm. I hope that this video was helpful. If you are interested in checking out any of my other Boxycharm unboxing videos, I do have ones where I actually try on the products and show them more. If you want to check out any of my other Boxycharm unboxings, I do have a playlist on my channel if you want to check that out. So I hope that you guys liked this video, and if you would like to see more from me in the future, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I hope that you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!